finals game 3 for our women's basketball between the PCCR and the PCU. Isang magandang bakbakan muli po ang papanood natin ng live dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Kaya naman para sa mga team bahay, live na live po tayo sa ating Facebook page na Oragon Sports TV at mapapanood din po sa Facebook page ng UCCL. Kasama niyo po kami, I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes, and with me is Rick Puerta.
Ayan, team, talagang exciting ang second game na ito because again, kahapon nakita natin ang first game at nakuha ito ng PCCR. Let's see kung magbabounce back dito ang ating PCU, knowing na isa din dito sa mga magandang or magaling na kupunan dito sa ating UCCL. We are live here at Tanawan, Batangas at sa loob ng Faith Colleges for our venue sa ating second game ng finals sa Girls Division.
And of course, kahapon nga po, napakalala nating best player of the game si Mihasco at napakaganda po ng performance na ipinakita ng ating PCCR. Kaya aabangan po natin ngayon kung tatapusin na nga po ba nila ang ating finals sa Women's Division. Kaya yan ang ating aabangan at maghahatid po kami ng napakagandang bakbakan nitong ating dalawang kupunan.
Ayan, team, let's see kung may bagong game plan bang ipapakita dito ang PCU para ma-extend tayo sa game or will the PCCR end this game dito sa araw na ito. Yan ang tutugtukan natin maya-maya. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
now live here again inside the Faith Colleges for the finals game 2 of our women's division between the Philippine Christian University and the Philippine College of Criminology. At kahapon nga po sa ating finals game 1, it's the PCCR that gets the first game and the advantage this morning. Tatapusin na nga ba nila ang series na to? Or will the PCU fight for a spot and extend this series at kukunin pa yung kampyonato para sa ating Season 18 ng United Collegiate Championship League? Kaya naman po ngayong umaga, aabangan natin ang intense game ng dalawang kupunan, most especially itong mga players ng PCU as well as the PCCR. Grabe din yung ipinakitang performance nila kahapon. From the PCU side, we have Salgaod, Peter, and the rest of the players. While on the other side, we have Santos, Noche, Mihasco, as well as Alba, na talagang napakaganda ng performance na ipinakita nila kahapon. And nagkaroon nga sila ng advantage ngayong umagang ito. And just a few minutes, we're going to start this finals game 2 matchup between these two teams. At pinapakilala na po ang lineup from the side of the PCCR as well as the side of the PCU.
Very exciting game number 2 for these both teams. Ay nga nabanggit mo dito on the side of PCU, sina Peter. Talagang aabangan natin dito kung mafo-force ba nila ang series na to into game 3 or will the PCCR dominates this game number 2 and win the championship dito sa UCCL. Now dito sa PCCR, ang mga dapat din bantayan dito is sila Santos, Behasco. Talagang sila yung kumbaga nagbubuhat dito on the side of PCCR and players to look out for this team. Ayan, as you can see on our screen, pinapakilala na dito ang players for both teams. And in just a few minutes, the first quarter will start.
Now, para sa ating mga team bahay, live na live po tayo sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. At mamaya po i-shoutout natin yung mga gustong bumating po at supporters ng PCU at ng PCCR. At ayan na nga. This is an exciting game. And of course, we are also live sa ating YouTube channel. GNN TV 48 Naga. At yan, ang dami na nating social medias na live tayo ngayong umaga. And magsistart na po itong laban ng PCU and PCCR. So let's see kung kanino nga ba mapupunta ang unang momentum sa ating first quarter. Will it be the PCCR or the PCU?
And first quarter, magsisimula na between these two teams. So both teams merong pressure. Of course, PCU, they're aiming to extend this game into game 3, and on the other side of things, PCCR, they want to end it with a high note. Now, ball possession will go on the side of PCCR.
Now, Alba passes dito kay Cruzada. Early foul. Now, she will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. First free throw was no good para dito kay Cruzada. Cruzada for her second free throw. That's good. First basket para dito sa PCCR. Now PCU on the offense. Salgaod. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 4. That's good. Bawi ngayon yung PCU. Grabe din yung preparation nila for this finals game 2. Now Domingo. Pass here to Noche. Now Alba. Mihasco, no good. And that ball will go on the side of the PCU. On our scoreboard. Now jersey number 27, pass to Salgado.
No good. Domingo on that rebound. Passing the ball to her teammates and Alba. Heavily guarded here. And a great steal coming from Salgaod. So this is the time na kailangang pag-igihan dito ng PCU ang larong ito.
Now with the defense of PCU, talagang papahirapan nila ngayong umagang ito yung PCCR. Now, ball possession of Philippine College of Criminology. Now Noche, pass to Cruzada. Cruzada, dire-diretso, pass to Mihasco. That's good. Now Mihasco, yung isa talaga sa mga players na kailangang bantayan nitong PCU because of that good defense and offense. Salgaod, pushing foul. Natawag dito kay Mihasco. So Salgaod will be on the free throw line. Salgaod, first free throw. That's good. Now for a second free throw. Tied on 3.
Now PCCR on the offense. Domingo to Noche. With 10 seconds to shoot. 5 more seconds. Santos fires for 3. No good. Now PCU.
The PCU. With that tight defense coming from them, isa din sa kailangan nilang i-improve ngayon is yung kanilang offense. Now, that's a turnover. Traveling violation na tawag dito kay Salgaod. Now, 7 minutes and 17 seconds for our first quarter. Noche. 10 seconds to shoot. Domingo heavily guarded here. Mihasco back to Domingo. Now, di rin tayo yung mga guardia dyan. Now, so foul there. Still, the ball possession of PCCR. Mihasco against Peter. Fancy rebound. And a whistled foul. Now Mihasco. Free throw line again for 2 shots. 6 minutes and 55. First free throw was good. On 2 para dito kay Mihasco. Now Remo papasok dito sa side ng PCU. An exchange of Peter. Salgaod. Pass here to Cameron.
Too strong on that pass para kay Mehasco. So turnover. Opportunity on the side of PCU. Great steal for Noche, pero nailabas ng bola. Now,
Salcaod. Again, traveling violation para dito kay Salcaod. So yung mga turnovers dito, Mehasco. 18 seconds to shoot. Now Noche. Gagawin dito ng PCCR. Ngayon na nasa first quarter pa lang tayo, chance for the PCU na kunin yung magandang momentum. And Salcaod leading the team of PCU. Only a point lead. Domingo. Lusod foul there. We're halfway through our first quarter. Domingo. First free throw was good. Now, kahit yung mga free throws, napaka-importante para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. So, 1-2 para dito kay Domingo. Now, PCU. Open niya ngayon. Papasok dito sa side ng PCU to add a fuel to this matchup. Now, Remo. Recorded here, pass to Cameron. Jersey number 22. He's still here, coming from Alba. Now they're taking their time. Mehasco ngayon. Nabitawan. Cameron. Salcaod ngayon. Nakikipagbakan sa baba. Now kanina pa yung traveling violation dito sa side ng PCU. So a lot of opportunity sana sa kanila dito sa first quarter. But the errors was there, turnovers for the PCU.
a great point conversion on the side of PCCR. So far, a close first quarter for these both teams. Talagang, I know both teams nag-prepare para sa araw na ito. So, another turnover on the side of PCU. Nakakailang turnovers na itong PCU. That's why, sabi mo nga kanina, a lot of opportunities ang nasasayang on their side. And now, abante na ulit dito ang PCCR. So, let's see dito sa natitirang 4 minutes and 40 seconds kung magagawan pa ba ito ng paraan ng PCU to tie this matchup or even steal the lead. Alvaro.
Foul. Yung side ng PCU, yung kalaban nila is yung kanilang turnovers dito. Early first quarter. Ito sa side ng PCU.
Now PCU on the penalty situation.
Cruzada, second free throw. No good. But Noche was there for the offensive rebound. Now Alba, pass to Alvaro. 6 seconds to shoot here. Noche to Santos. Santos for a three-pointer. No good. Alvaro without offensive rebound again. Pero stepping on the line. Turnover para dito sa PCCR.
Now PCU, another chance for them to add their score. Salgaod fires for long to no good. PCCR with the ball possession.
Now Santos to Noche. Sayang para dito sa PCCR. Now let's see if mahahabol ba ng PCU itong 4 na puntos na kalamangan ng PCCR. Alba to Santos. Now Alvaro back to Noche. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Noche ngayon, an attempt for 3, no good.
Salgaod, nagmamadali. And a point conversion for her on that last sequence. Now we are all tied up at 10. Pero may sagot dito, si Alba.
Now dito sa ating first quarter, Salgaod dito sa side ng PCU. Kahit may mga turnovers siyang nagawa, siya din naman yung bumubuhay dito sa team ng PCU. Well, on the other side, Mihasco, Alba, Santos, nakahapon nakitaan natin na napakagandang performance. Up until now, andun yung connection itong mga players ng PCCR. 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. 10-12. 2 puntos na kalamangan ng PCCR. Now, shout out kay Jillian Magadia and Jeridaya Nacario. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, ball possession of PCCR.
Santos to Mihasco. Foul was whistled. Ball possession will go on the side of ECU. Domingo checks in para dito sa side ng PCCR.
The PCU with this remaining time. Luceda, have it guarded here. Jersey number 30 for a 3-pointer. Now, ito yung kailangan ngayon ng PCU. Bago magtapos yung ating first quarter, kailangan makuha nila yung magandang momentum dito. The PCR, or PCCR rather. Jersey number 1 now. An opportunity for PCU. No good. Offensive rebound one more time.
Now,
Five straight points coming from the side of PCU.
yes, Teen. PCU overtaking the lead para dito sa ating first quarter. Santos with that rebound.
Now, Santos passes here to Mihasco. "47 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter." Mihasco. That's good. Now Santos with that rebound. 35 seconds. Offensive rebound and a point. Now 15-16. Close matchup between PCCR and PCU. 22 seconds remaining. Now this is a chance for PCU to take on the lead here. Laceda nagmamadali dito. Whistled foul. Now Laceda, 2 free throws. That ball will stay on the side of PCU. 15 seconds remaining. Isang puntos. Kalabangan ng PCCR now Evangelista. Pass to jersey number 30. Tries. That's good. 5 seconds. PCCR. Can they take the lead before the first quarter ends? And PCU gets the momentum here. 17-16. We will be back for the second quarter of this finals game 2. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back for the second quarter of the matchup of PCCR and PCU now taking the lead. PCR or the PCU having a 3-point lead against PCCR. At clarification lamang po kanina, nagkaroon lang ng delay doon sa ating scoring at naayos na po ng ating officials. So the score is 19-16. Whistle foul there. Dito pa sa pagpasok na ating second quarter, napakaganda para dito sa side ng PCU. Now, a free throw opportunity dito. Laceda, no good on that first free throw. Now let's see. For the second free throw of Laceda. That's good.
And a timeout was called on the side of PCCR because they are down here by 4 points. (2016) on our scoreboard. And
now, during the first quarter, Rick, napakaganda nung simula dito sa side ng PCU. Dahil nga agad-agad nakuha nila yung magandang momentum dito at hindi nila hinayaan na makalamang itong PCCR. Now, let's see if the PCCR can get again this momentum sa ating second quarter. Of course, hindi maging easy matchup itong ating finals game 2. So let's see who will dominate this series. Will it be the PCCR or PCU? Now back to the ball game here. Jersey number 14 to inbound.
offensive rebound. But the ball possession will go on the side of PCCR. Now, sila ngayon ang naghahabol. An 8 seconds violation on the side of the PCCR. Very crucial error at this moment.
Now PCU on the offense. Now buhay na buhay itong PCU dito sa ating second quarter. They are dominating the first as well as the start of second quarter now. Ball possession, Paderes again. 4 straight points coming from the bench. Now PCCR, Alba. It's a foul. PCU needs to tighten their defense now. Alba, no good on that first free throw. Na yung nakita nating laro kahapon ng PCCR sa second quarter ng finals game 2 eh hindi pa natin muling nakikita. So let's see kung anong gagawin nilang adjustment dito. Now Opeña, 13 seconds to shoot. Evangelista, in and out ball.
Santos Domingo, heavily guarded here, forces that one, no good.
Now si Santos kahapon nagpaulan ng maraming tres. Napakaganda ng kanyang opensa. But right now, medyo hindi pa natin nakikita yung ipinakitang performance nila kahapon. But it's an advantage for PCU. Offensive rebound. One more time. Rusada.
Another great defense on the side of PCU. Wow. Both teams, they're eager to have a point conversion. And speaking of Putos Mehasco doing the job on their side. At kitang-kita sa ating replay, our best player of the game kahapon sa ating game number 1. Stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity.
Mehasco. No good. Salcaod. Babalik dito sa side ng PCU. 24-18. Salcaod. Loses that ball, but jersey number 27 was there. Point conversion, Rendal. Nagmamadali na dito ang PCCR. PCCR. A three-pointer coming from Cruzada. Ito yung kailangan nila ngayon. But still, a 6-point lead coming from PCU. Now Rendal to inbound with 19 seconds to shoot. Cameron. Pass to Rendal. Titira ng 3. Foul. Tawagan dito ng foul si Rendal. 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining.
Couple of substitution on the side of PCU. They're making sure na hindi dito mahabol ang kanilang kalamangan. Now, PCCR with the ball possession. Santos to Domingo. Mehasco looking for her teammates. Fast for 3. And Domingo. Napakaganda ng outside shooting ngayon ng ating PCCR. Cutting the lead in just 3 points.
Ayun, mukhang bumabawi na itong PCCR. Sunod-sunod na 3 yung kanilang nagagawa dito. That ball will stay. Now, Mehasco is down now. Mehasco yung nagdadala ng laro sa side ng PCCR. Mukhang magpapahinga muna siya. So the rest of the players of PCCR kailangan mag-step up dito with this absence of Mehasco. Again, 26-23. 5 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Now, ball possession of PCCR. Domingo to inbound. Now, Alvaro. 8 seconds to shoot. Alba. Papasok sa loob. Down to 1-point lead na lamang po ang hinahabol ng PCCR. Na PCU. No good offensive rebound. Salgaon. Heavily guarded here. Santos snatched that ball. Dire-diretso. Alba was there for that second chance point. At mapapatawag ng timeout ang PCU because of that momentum coming from PCCR. From a big lead now, nakuha muli ng PCCR yung isang puntos na kalamangan.
What a quick change of momentum para dito sa ating second quarter. Now, naibalik na sa PCCR ang isang puntos na kalamangan. Now, let's see kung anong gagawin ditong adjustment on the side of PCU after this timeout. And on the side of PCCR, knowing na nagpahinga muna dito itong si Mehasco, pero it doesn't mean hindi ito lalaban on the side of their team now. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta. Napakaganda pang momentum dito sa ating natitirang 5 minutes and 21 seconds.
Hinayaan ng PCU na makahabol the PCCR. Now, after that timeout, they need a tight defense. Now, Santos with the ball. Passes to Cruzada. Tries, no good. Offensive rebound. One more time para dito kay Cruzada. Still no good. The PCU, an opportunity for them to get back that lead. 14 seconds to shoot. Salgaon loses that ball. Santos na yon. Libreng-libre. Adjusting the lead by 3. Ito yung mahirap kapag napabayaan mo yung PCCR. Hahabol at hahabol. At kukuha ng kalamangan dito. What a great defense coming from PCCR.
And then I would like to commend the effort of Santos. Talagang eyes on the ball. Depensa kung depensa para dito sa ating PCCR. Now, PCU on the offense.
Now, let's see if makakabawi sila dito. Now, good point coming from jersey number 23. Now, Cruzada. Sayang. Para dito sa PCCR. Now, PCU, an opportunity for them. Just a 1-point lead, Paredes. Pass to Lianza. Nalaceda, 10 seconds to shoot. Nagkakagawa ng bola dito. Peter. But Alvaro. Sayang. Para dito sa PCCR. Pero grabe yung depensa. Nahihirapan yung PCU players na makapasok dyan sa loob. 28-29. The PCU on the offense. Paderes. Paderes tries. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Paderes one more time. Pass to Lianza. Now Lianza to Paderes. Wala pa rin. Another offensive rebound. Nolyanza. But a whistled foul. Now PCCR, Santos. "14 seconds to shoot. Alvaro, a traveling violation. An 8 seconds violation dito sa PCU. Ang daming turnover yung nagagawa na naman nila. Evangelista papasok dito sa PCU and Mihasco babalik muli para dito sa PCCR as well as sa Gaon. Got 28-29. Domingo to Alvaro. Now Mihasco. A foul. Tawagan ng foul dito. Mihasco. Free throw line para sa dalawang bonus free throw. First free throw was good.
Talagang Mihasco is the go-to player on the side of PCCR. Now, ito naman ang isa sa babantayan dito ng PCU.
Now still the ball of PCCR. No Alba. No good. Chance here for TCU. 28-30. 2-point lead of PCCR. Evangelista. Pass to Paderes. No good. He's still here, coming from PCU. Nalianza. 15 seconds to shoot. An attempt for 3. Noche. A minute and 45 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Now PC on the offense, Evangelista. Santos. Mihasco, nagmamadali dito. Nabing opportunity na sayang. A minute and 20. Another steal here for Santos.
Napakaganda ng pinapakita dito ni Santos. Napakakulit when it comes to her offense and defense at the same time. PCU on the offense.
Now jersey number 19, pass to Remo. Remo now. Wala pa rin para dito sa PCU. 54 seconds remaining. Santos. Back to Kagiwa. Noche. Alba ngayon. Nagkakagawa ng bola dito. And that ball will go sa side ng PCU.
Now, 42 seconds remaining for this first half. And still, 2 puntos ang kailangang habulin dito on the side of PCU. Remo. And Mihasco with that steal. Ball will stay on the side of PCCR at mapapatawag natin sila dito ng timeout to make sure na nasa kanila ang momentum sa pagtatapos ng ating first half. Now 30-28 on our scoreboard. What a close fight between these two teams. So kanina pa ito since our first quarter. Wow. So this is what finals look like para dito sa ating larong ito.
Yan nga, Rick. Shoutout din tayo sa supporters ng PCCR as well as ng PCU. Shoutout to Guy Luceno, Aika Castro, Hiara Hamero, at kay Micaela Kirsten Ikan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now with 29 seconds remaining and a 2-point lead coming from the side of PCCR. Let's see kung anong gagawing adjustment dito ng PCU para makuha yung kalamangan dito or even tie the game before the first half ends. And a quick shout out also kay Franco Mase. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now back to the ball game. PCCR's basketball. Noche releases a 3. No good. Now PCU, 24 seconds remaining. Evangelista. They need to get this. Have regarded here. Remo against Mihasco. The whistled foul. Remo, 2 free throws. No good. 13 seconds remaining. Never for her second free throw, that's good. Now just a 1-point lead. PCCR with 13 seconds to shoot. Namiasco down to 8. Pass to Noche. Noche now. And that's the end of our first half, 29-32 in favor of PCCR. We will be back for the second half of this game.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Good day, NCAA South Community. I'm Ethan Sugitan of the Faith College's men's basketball team, and today we're doing a quick campus tour. Welcome to the home of the Bravehearts.
First up, the Mabini Building. Our main building houses all classrooms from our tertiary schools, Total Child Prep School, Faith Catholic School, and the building within the building, our Multiversity Library. A 3-story building at the heart of our Mabini Hall. This library caters to every tertiary school student doing their research, projects, self or group study, presentations, special lectures, and seminars. Just the perfect space for
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
We create value and improve the quality of life of our customers. Employees.
We are back here sa loob ng Faith Colleges sa pagpapatuloy ng match-up ng PCU versus PCCR at nasa second half na po tayo. At abante dito ang PCCR. Now, PCCR with the ball possession.
Now, Alvaro with that rebound, 29-32. Now, during the first half of the game, nabawin ng PCCR yung magandang momentum sa side ng PCU. Now, with the start of the third quarter, let's see kung anong gagawin nitong ating dalawang kupunan para makuha yung kalamangan dito. Now, Laseda, 29-34, 5-point lead of PCCR. Evangelista, pass to jersey number 2. No good. Offensive rebound. One more time for PCU. Wala pa rin. Now, Opeña. That's a long 2.
Domingo, itatawid ng bola on the side of PCCR. Noche looking for her teammates. With 10 seconds on the shot clock, Alvaro. Domingo. And a great block on the side of PCU. Chance for them to either score here and lessen the gap.
Now, Luceta, 11 seconds to shoot. Ball will stay. Dito sa side ng PCU. Alba, babalik para sa PCCR. 8 seconds to shoot for PCU. No good. Noviasco.
Alba on the free throw opportunity. No good. The first attempt. One more for her. PCU on the offense. No good on that three-point attempt coming from Evangelista. And now Alba, libreng-libre para sa layup na yon. And a great steal on the side of their team. May Hasco. Nagmamadali, but traveling violation. Itatawag dito on their side. Now, kailangan magtrabaho nitong ating PCU kasi paunti-unting nagkakaroon ng magandang momentum dito ang PCCR. 37-31 on our scoreboard. And remember, sila dito ang naghahabol. If they want to extend this game, they need to work very hard. Now, it's their chance to have a point conversion, and Paderes.
Now PCCR having a 4-point lead. Domingo passes to Cruzada. And another opportunity for PCU. With a 4-point lead. And they lessen the gap. Now jersey number 4 passes to Evangelista. No good para dito kay Paderas, but an offensive rebound. Pero that will be a traveling violation.
May Hasco passing the ball to her teammates, and now Alba to Santos and losing that one. So PCU on the offense, no good. Domingo with that fast break, pero no good. Now Santos fires for 3, and Santos, ito na ang hinihintay natin na mga 3 points ni Santos on the side of PCCR.
Now what a great offense coming from the side of PCCR. At ito yung kailangan nila ngayon. 6 minutes and 11 seconds. 7-point gap and a chance to widen that with this ball possession. Santos passes to Mihasco. Heavily guarded here, tries. No good. Cameron